Yeah, what's up? It's me, Eddie. We've had the really bad storms here last like week or so. It's been raining non-stop. I mean, it's just bad. I don't know if you can see how bad it is. This is really bad. But I'm in a much better car. I got rid of my Mazda 6. And I bought a Kia. Don't judge. This Kia has the same engine that the Audi A4 has, so it's turbocharged, and it has the quattro drive stuff. It's all good shit. It has lights and turn signal, or lights in the mirrors. Turn signals in the mirror, whatever the fuck they're called. I'm in Strongsville now. Just in Strongsville. I'm going to get the crap out of me. The flashing blue, like, oh, God, what do I do now, you know? Well, I am looking for a damn Starbucks. I was told there's a Starbucks over here. I don't live in Strongsville, so I have no clue where the hell Starbucks is over here. I see it. Fuck. I think this is it. Dance radio. You don't have satellite radio, get it. Fuck it up here, motherfucker. Oh, this. The guy in the Mazda couldn't park, so I had to fucking move my car. That's good enough. Anyways, this is the interior of the car. Bluetooth. Can go 140. Okay, well, hang on. I'll show you a little bit of Anyway, y'all, I gotta go. It's really wet. I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.